Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor X7 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard, for example in messages or in notes, whatever you want to actually. Just have the keyboard on the screen and basically all we have to do is to simply enter the settings. So let's tap on this three dots icon and enter the settings. Now let's tap on the languages, and as you can see here we've been transferred to the list of all languages. First of all, here we've got the languages which we've got currently applied, and under it we've got the options from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to simply tap on the one you'd like to set. So let me pick this one and wait, and as you can see actually immediately we've got the layouts which we can choose. So it's up to you. I will stick with this one and tap on the stick icon. As you can see, after getting back to the very top, the chosen language immediately appears in the Your Languages. So now we can go back to the keyboard and check. And let me get back. And here we've got the keyboard. We've got also one difference. So the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the, let's say, the name of the language we're currently using. Actually all of them and there, and we've got the slash between them. So currently I'm typing English, but after tapping, actually not tapping because we have to swipe on the spacebar in order to change the keyboard. And as you can see right now I can type in the language I've just chosen. Let me do it again, and again we've got the English. So basically this is how to add the language to the keyboard. What's more, after tapping on the three dots icon here you can enter the layouts. So if you will decide that you want to change the layout of particular language, so for example English and the chosen one, you can always do it. So now let me show you how to remove the language, because sometimes you do not really need like 2 or 3 different languages added. So let's enter the settings again and tap on the languages. And now basically all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher, and it will be inactive, which simply means that after getting back we will only have the English, so just like it was at the very beginning of this video. Here we've got also the instruction. If you'd like to remove the language from this list of Your Languages, simply long press to delete. Confirm it, and as you can see it will be removed. So now we can go back to the keyboard and check, and as you can see again the spacebar is empty, which simply means that we've got only one language to type in. So basically that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your Honor X7. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.